Okay, this is my bike. Today is the last day, might be the last day that I suffered tiptoeing both my legs. Okay, now I'll be going to my friend, mechanic friend. I call him up and he said, yeah, will do, no problem. So this is the lowering kit for Yamaha R15 V3, and you can use in MT15 also, MT15. So this is the lowering kit ordered from AliExpress. Okay, I'll put the link in the description where I bought it. The seat height 81 centimeter. Okay, so after installing the lowering kit, we'll check it out again. Okay, stay tuned guys. Sorry that I mentioned earlier it was 81.5. okay, 81 centimeter is just 810 millimeter. So guys, not that. I'm a 5'5", so this bike is quite tall for me. So I'm gonna sit down and let's check the height of this. Check out my leg, both tiptoe. How much height will be decreased, we don't know yet. As it mentioned on the lowering kit, it was 30 millimeter, which is 1 inch. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. Coming straight from China. Listen to the sound. The company is SAVAGE Motoparts, low 30 millimeter, which is 1 inch. And I'm going right now. See my leg. It's kind of hard. We the short guys used to suffer a lot, and the rest is awesome. We won't find any problem. The truck is the pain in the spine. Here we are. So we're gonna start replacing the oil and the new one. Replacing the oil and the new one. Let's hope for the best.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness. Cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change.
Nuam to lutuk.
But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again.
He's the guy who did all the modification. Thanks to him. I'm gonna go now. It's awesome, awesome. The seat height is awesome. He told me you don't want to affect anything. Let's hope for the best. I'm short, as you all know, that I'm 5'5". But when I put down my legs, it feels like I'm 5.8 or 9. Là chung là. So now we are going to test the height again, the seat height. We'll keep in the same place, the place where we measured before. Previously it was 81.5 ma. 81.5. Now it is 80. No 79.5. Let's calculate how much. 790 millimeter. 790 minus 815. 25 millimeter is how much? It shows 25 millimeter is on 1 inch. It's a 0.9, which is a 1 inch. Yeah. Riding position is totally different. It's awesome now. See my leg, how I put my leg totally ground on the ground. Won't feel any wrist pain and all. I don't feel worried about the wrist pain. The main thing is there is a little bit disturbations in the ground clearance. So I'll show you that. So I'm gonna test how I tiptoeing after installing it. Let's see. So I put the camera in front of me. I'll show how I tiptoe right now after installing it. Both sides I can put almost flat foot. Okay, it's working. This is the best solution for short riders like me. Previously I told you I was a 5.7, no 5.5, but I'm 5.4 half, almost 5. For the short guy, it's a really great news. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my new channel. This is Airport Road. Okay, signing out. Thank you.
Oh yeah.